What's going on, guys? Dwayne here with my investment journey, and in this video I'm going to talk to you guys about the fact that I got my fourth dividend payment from this particular company. I love dividend stocks. So that's what we're talking about in this particular video. But hey, if you're new to the channel, once again, my name is Dwayne with my investment journey, and on this channel I talk about how to start investing in the stock market and I show you my investment journey. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so I already have a screen recording going with my iPhone, and I'm going to touch on Robinhood. I'm going to jump straight into it. Let's see here. I already have it pulled up. So I got a dividend payment from AGNC. So today is February. Well, today's the 10th. Let me show you guys my screen. So on the iPhone, you guys can see there. Today's the 10th. It's Wednesday, but I got a dividend payment on February the 9th. So at the very top of the screen, you guys can see here where it says past 30 days. And this is my fourth dividend payment from AGNC. I'm really excited because not only are they paying dividends monthly, but they're paying at a pretty high dividend yield. So I'm really excited to share the information because I know how I feel when I get these dividend payments monthly. I'm just like, yes, let's go. So you guys can see there at the bottom of the screen that I got a dividend payment on November the 10th for $9. At that particular time, I had 75 shares and they were paying 12 cents per share. That's why I got a $9 payment. I got another dividend payment December the 10th for $9 because I didn't do anything. So I still had my 75 shares and they were paying 12 cents again. And then in January, I got a dividend payment of $21.08. At that particular time, I bought some more shares. So you see that I had 100 more shares, right? And they're paying 12 cents per share. And that's why my payment was $21.08. And that was January 12th. And then now, February the 9th, the reason why the dividend payment has increased from $21.08 to $21.24 is because I literally took the dividend payment that I got and reinvested and bought more shares with this particular company. So I had, at the time, I had 177 shares and they're paying 12 cents per share, which brought my payment to $21.24. So far, overall, I really don't have a whole lot of money invested with them. As you can see, my market value is $2,908.34 at the making of this particular video. My average cost per share is $14.75. I kind of wish I would have thrown some more money towards this. Right now, at the end of this particular day, it closed at $16.43. Well, actually, it closed 5 cents lower, and then it went up 5 cents in the after hours, as you guys can see here on the screen. So I'm going to take my $21.24 of payment that I just got. They normally deposit it in your account, right? So you guys see that my buying power is $26.24. That's because I have $5 sitting in the account because I pay $5 for Robinhood Gold. So that's why it says $26.24. But the dividend payment was $21, and I'll show you again. $21.24. Here we go. Here we are, right here, February 9th, underneath history. You see a dividend payment of $21.24. You see on January 13th, I literally put my dividend back, which was $21.08, right? I bought, a share and some change. Let's see how many share. 1.35 shares at the bottom of the screen. And it was filled for $15.58. So I will be buying more shares. I guess I could place the order right now, but because I'm going to wait to see if the price goes down a little bit tomorrow. Since today was a pretty decent day, I'll see if the price goes down a little bit tomorrow, and then I'll submit the order to buy more shares. But I wanted to take the time to share this video with you guys about the dividend payments because it's exciting. It's fun. Overall, today wasn't a good day, as you guys can see in my portfolio. I'm down, $3,000 for this particular day. And overall, I'm actually down. I'll show you guys because I want to be transparent. So I just touched on 1 year. So for the year, I'm down $6,200 right now. I don't. It's not going to stay that way. I'm not even concerned with that. But what happened is Apple and Tesla is not doing so well. I shouldn't say they're not doing so well. They're basically they were trading higher than they are now. So that's kind of why my overall portfolio is down, but that's okay. I'm not worried about it. Apple and Tesla are solid stocks, and they're definitely going to be going up in the future. Maybe the near future, but definitely the long future, they're going to be going up. But like I said, I wanted to take the time to show you guys another dividend payment. Dividend paying stocks are insanely powerful, and it's a no-brainer. It's a no-brainer for me. Now, there are a bunch of companies that pay dividends, and some of these companies are more secure than other companies. For example, there are dividend aristocrats, okay, which are companies that have paid and increased their dividends over the last 20 years. So that's 20 consecutive payments of dividends and dividend increases. I keep checking my phone because I want to make sure my screen recorded. All right, cool. And so then there are companies that are dividend kings, which these companies have increased and paid consecutive dividends for the last 50 years. So there are a lot of companies that are very, very solid in regards to being stable and paying dividends and increasing their dividend payments over time. So AGNC is not necessarily a company that falls within that category. They're not a dividend aristocrat because they haven't consecutively paid for 20 years or consistently increased their dividend payment in those 20 years. So it's a bit more risky to invest with them, but the return is I think it's close to 10%. I'm gonna double check before telling you guys the wrong stuff. Let's double check right now. Yeah, so it says 9.58 according to Robinhood. The dividend yield is 9.58, but that's really, really good, and it's a monthly paying dividend. So for me, it's kind of exciting, and it's just a very easy way to see a little profit in the stock market. You know, a lot of people lose a lot of money in the market because there's a lot of different ways you can invest, right? A whole lot of different ways. Okay. And trust me, I've lost my fair share. If I had the right information and I have this type of money investing in the market, I could make some serious money. But I don't have the information. I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the experience. So I'm going to do what I think is best for me. And I'm going to finally play it safe, because there was a time that I was doing day trading and it's way too stressful for me. And I definitely lacked a lot of knowledge and experience, and it did not end well. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to pull my money and just go for the slow, long haul instead of the quick money. And there's nothing wrong with however you make your money. You make your money however you make your money. It's all good. I know that people are making a killing on the stock market daily. You know what I mean? Like, that's really a thing. And I wanted that to be me. But at this time, I've kind of taken a step back and, like, you know what, I'm going to chill. I'm just going to go for the slow, consistent dividend payments. And so I was really excited to bring you guys this video talking about this particular company, AGNC, and once again, my 4th dividend payment, and they do pay monthly, so I like that a lot. All right, that's going to be it for this video. I thank you guys for watching. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. All right, once again, my name is Dwayne with My Investment Journey, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.